ladies, welcome back to Cheri the Chef. It is the day before Thanksgiving and I want to get a jump start on things. And so I'm going to go ahead and make my dressing up a day in advance. And this dressing is kind of going to be a mix of, I have some cornbread I need to use up, some crackers, I have a couple of biscuits that were from breakfast a couple days ago. So just about anything in the fridge I needed to get rid of. That's what's going in our dressing today. But I'm going to get started with a stick of butter. See if we can got enough room for both of these pans on here. So our stick of butter is going to go in there. And then in this pan, I've got a pound of Vermont maple premium sausage. So we're going to put a little meat in this as well. If I can get the container open. All right, so throw our patties down in there. And it really doesn't matter if I mush these because we are going to crumble this up anyway. We're going to make it ground sausage. Let me wash my hands real quick. And let me grab my spatula. All right, so I'm just getting our butter nice and melted. And to this, I am going to add 2 cups of celery. And then I'm also going to add 2 cups of onion. Give these a quick stir here. All right. So we'll go ahead and let these cook, and then once these get cooked down and our sausage is finished, we'll be ready to put our stuffing together. Okay, so I've got my sausage and my onions and peppers done. I went ahead and transferred them over to a bowl, and I got a bigger bowl out so you guys could see exactly what I'm doing. I don't know how much this is going to make, like I said. I've got cornbread here, so I'm just going to go ahead and kind of crumble my cornbread up into crumbles. I got a feeling this is going to make a lot. This was a huge thing of cornbread. And so I'm probably really going to have to watch how much chicken stock I put in here. I normally put 7 cups. So I don't think I normally use this much cornbread. But maybe I do. It's been a year since I've made this, so I don't quite remember. But this looks like quite a bit of bread. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to leave out these hot dog buns. I'll find another use for them. I'll probably make some croutons or something out of them. I have just a little bit of crackers left in this sleeve. So we're just going to crunch those up. And same for this one. I usually use a whole sleeve of crackers anyway, but I had that little 1/3 of a package left, so I thought I would use that too. I like the flavor of the buttery crackers. And even more than Ritz, I like the club crackers. I like to put those in my meatloaf also. One other thing, I do want to use these biscuits up. I don't know that I'll find a purpose for these, unless I make some breakfast sandwiches out of them. But they're really easy to crumble, so I'm going to throw these in too. I ran across a recipe the other day for Popeye's biscuit stuffing or dressing. I thought that sounded really interesting. All right, we're going to move this out of the way. I'm going to toss in my sausage and my onions and peppers. I want to make sure I get all that butter in there. Butter makes everything better. Okay. Then, I don't have a big spoon in here. Oh, we got a wooden spoon. We can use that. That'll work. So I'm just going to kind of, yeah, we're probably going to need 2 big old pans for this. This is a lot. I love this big salad bowl. So I'm just busting up any of these bigger chunks I see in here, if they're really big. All right. Now I'm going to add in, I'm going to go ahead and start with 7 cups, and we'll see where that gets us. There's 1, 2. And the first time I started making dressing, and I put all this chicken stock in there, I thought, oh my gosh, this is really like watery. But was that 2? Put 2 in there. Was that 2? I think so. This is 3. 4, 5, 6, almost 7. Let's go ahead and give that a stir and see where we're at. I like to wait and add my seasonings after I've put my liquid in because it seems to distribute just a little bit better. We probably are going to need just a little bit more. But now we're going to add in 5 eggs, which I've already beaten. So those are 5 whole eggs. And we're going to put in a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Or a lot of pepper. You guys know I love pepper. Then we're going to do about, a teaspoon and a half of sage. It doesn't want to come out that fast. There we go. And the same amount of rosemary. Perfect. All right, we're going to stir this up. See how it looks. Uh-oh, I think I got pepper in my nose. A lot of pepper on that piece there. Oh, this smells good already. Makes me want to eat it, but it's got raw eggs in it. That looks really good. That was the end of that container, and I'd have to open another one, so I think it looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and pour this in a pan. And, ouch. I got all the pans out because I didn't know what size I was going to need. I didn't know how much this was going to make. And look at that. It all fits. Perfect. That worked out well. All right. I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil, and I'm going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour or so. And then I'll probably take the aluminum foil off the last 10, 15 minutes or so. I'll probably just keep an eye on it. But it's been a while since I made it, like I said. But that's my guess. So roughly an hour. And again, I've got it at 350. And that's that. I'll see you back when it's finished. All right, I just took my stuffing out of the stove, and I can tell you it looks fabulous and it smells amazing, but I'm not going to cut into it because I'm going to save it for everyone else. I don't want it to look like a mouse got in here. But just look at it. Like I said, it looks gorgeous. And I love how it has a little crust around the edges because I like getting those bites of moist stuffing and with the little tiny, bits of crunchy. So whenever you take it out and you give it a little bit of a shake, it should have a tiny bit of wiggle to it. You don't want it to look like raw cake batter, but you just want it to be set just a little bit. And this is going to continue to cook a little bit. It's going to have a little bit of carryover cooking, so we want to make sure that it's moist. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that. Yeah, enjoy your Thanksgiving. I know I'm going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.